Hi everybody, it's me, Christina, and it's
Nailani.
Nailani feels like she's gonna sneeze, so if she sneezes, she sneezes. Anyways, though, we have the balloons up because why?
It's almost New Year's!
It's almost New Year's! So, I haven't really done a taste tester Shakeology video with Nailani for a while, so I kind of wanted to go ahead and do that. Nailani, while you were over there playing your video game with the Xbox, I decided to go ahead and make a Shakeology while you were there.
I was really thirsty playing my game. I was also playing Connect game.
Yeah. So, right now this is what I have.
Shakeology.
What does it look like to you, Nailani?
I feel spicy.
Yes, we did use the vanilla Shakeology for today's recipe. Boom. Now keep in mind that we do have some vegan strawberry, tropical strawberry, but I did not use that one. I did use the regular Shakeology, which is vanilla. I love using the vanilla because it is very multi-purpose. So you can make all kinds of different flavors with that one. So before anything else, I want to go ahead and get Nailani to taste test this one and give me an idea of what it is.
Oh, and guess what? I like this one.
She likes strawberry. Strawberry is actually her favorite. Alrighty, go ahead.
I don't know what it is. I just have to stop smiling.
Okay. She has to stop smiling.
Okay, never mind. I'll just do it while
Okay, do it!
It tastes good.
What does it taste like to you? Please don't say peanut butter because there's no peanut butter in it.
I'm not going to say peanut butter.
Okay.
It tastes like the leaf with some of this that I don't know what it's called.
Okay. Vanilla.
With the flour.
It tastes like the green part of the Shakeology, what she's trying to say.
No.
Oh, okay, the flour.
The flour, and I don't know if this part is. It tastes like that.
That's a vanilla bean. Yes. So, she does taste the vanilla part of it. So, the flavor that you're actually missing, Nailani, is green apple.
Oh, I should have got green apple.
She should have got green apple because she eats like apples every single day.
I eat red apples.
Oh, I'm sorry. So,
not green.
Not green, just red apples, like Snow White, right? Okay, so just to recap, today's recipe is vanilla Shakeology and some green apple. I also added some apple cider in it just to give it a little bit more of an apple-y taste to it. I also wanted to go ahead and wish everybody a very blessed New Year's.
And guess what? I didn't even sneeze.
She didn't even sneeze.
I feel like sneezing, but I didn't.
And she didn't. Alrighty. So, there we go.
Bye.
Full love.
And my birthday already passed on the 15th.